Are you having issues with your Discord? Is your Discord not updating? Well, any problem you have with the Discord, you can fix it just by watching this one video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal and you're watching TechWhoop. So today we are going to talk about quick ways through which you can fix issues with your Discord. If your Discord is not updating or literally any problem that you have, keep watching this video. Now let's get started with the first way to fix it. The first thing that you should try doing is disabling the Windows Defender and any third-party antivirus. Many times Windows Defender identifies the field as unsafe, thus it does not allow the app to be launched in your machine. Thankfully, we can quickly disable this and start using the application. All you have to do is open Windows settings, choose Update and Security button present on the right side of the screen. Now click on the Windows Security button and select the option Virus and Threat Protection. As you enter the Windows Security Center, you will find the Settings option button. Click on it, access Virus and Threat Protection settings. Now you'll have to disable real-time protection. That will allow you to update the Discord app very easily. Now this method should work 99% of the time. But if you're still facing this issue with your Discord, then keep watching the video because I have some more methods as well. The next option is to rename the file. This is another method that you can check out to update your Discord app. All you have to do is go to the File Explorer menu, find the Discord update document. Now to fix this bug, you can just try renaming the file and see if that will work for you. The third method is you can just reinstall the app. All you have to do is just uninstall it from your Windows system and then download it again from the official website and reinstall it. Most of the times when you reinstall it would be the latest version, so thus having any issues that you have from the previous versions of if it's not updating, it would be fixed with this one. Another issue is that your internet could be weak at times, and that could be the reason why it's failing to update. Just check your internet once, check speed test and if it's working fine or not. If it's working fine, then maybe you can try some other ways to fix it. But if it's not working fine, then just try downloading and using it through a new internet connection. Maybe that will work. So that's all for my video, guys. These were my quick methods through which you can fix issues with your Discord not updating. Although I have covered a lot of methods, there are actually 5-6 more methods that you can try if this issue is not getting fixed. How to do it? The link will be in the description. Check out the article, and if you're watching this video on the website, then just scroll below. You will find all the other methods as well. Now smash that dislike button if you did not like this video, and in case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Kaushal. Peace out.
That's good.